Hi, do you think you don't need a security system because you've got a guard? Let me tell you, I thought the same. But here's the thing. Guards can sleep. They can run from rain or even fear a heavy wind. But a smart security system, it never rests. It watches your shop 24/7, no matter what. Guards can't be everywhere at once. They get tired, distracted, or caught off guard. Rain or heavy wind, they might not stick around. Imagine it's midnight. Your shop's guard falls asleep or leaves. Who's watching your stock? What if someone breaks in? That's why I installed a smart security system. It works day and night, rain or shine. It's always there, protecting my shop. Smart security systems. Every business needs. Here's what you should have. CCTV cameras. Watch every corner of your shop. Burglar alarm system alerts you the second someone tries something. Smart door locks. Keep track every person coming in. Case study, the Falls Lounge. Take the Falls Lounge in Kampala. They had a guard but faced constant break-ins. After installing CCTV and a burglar alarm, no more incidents. The system caught thieves red-handed, and the business has never been safer. Time to step up your security. It's time to go beyond just a guard. Protect your shop 24/7 with smart systems. Call us today on +2 567 893 1735 to chat with our expert. P.S. A guard needs sleep. A security system doesn't.